As I step out the door, I see my breath cause it's cold. The rain saturates my hair, my source of stress is unknown. I feel no pain, maybe that fact is that which worries me. React to the back of the pack, dashing hurriedly, avoiding all attention, not to mention feeling guilty. Pleasures of deception, contraception of invention seeming filthy. Sometimes it seems like time just kills me, fills me, full of all these seconds and minutes that diminish me. Could it be that life is simply finishing before my second wind can be replenished with energy? My defenses depend on me, wish this rain would stop wetting me. The older I become, I swear these demons are catching me. So I run a little faster on the heels of disaster as the tread melts away. The wheel on this caster I'm plastered. I think my train has left the station, but I'm patient, so I'm waiting for the next one that is vacant.
It won't stop raining, the sun won't shine. It seems to me it's a waste of time. I've been up and down these gravel roads a time or two before. No change, things stay the same. It's all daily race, just replace the wave. If it ever starts raining, I'll change my ways. I've seen it done before. Startled by the sound of the rain in the night. Awoke and I found nothing in plain sight. I was taken aback from the clap of the thunder. Put it in perspective how the rains pull you under. I wonder, could it be recklessness beckons me? The older I'm getting, the more the rains keep wetting and distressing me. The rains came disguised as a blessing. We accepted so readily and ever so steadily was progressing and numbing to mask what was coming. If I knew then what I knew now, I'd be running and coming up with some other solution. For now the clouds stay gray, I'm in a state of confusion. It won't stop raining, the sun won't shine. It seems to me it's a waste of time. I've been up and down these gravel roads a time or two before. No change, things stay the same. It's all daily race, just replace the wave. If it ever stops raining, I'll change my ways. I've seen it done before.